the parabola and parallelogram law is also last class discussed. So what is the parallelogram law? And so to find out the magnitude and direction. So magnitude is equal to p square plus q square 2pq cos theta. You got to know వినండి ఎంతమంది చెప్పిన అర్థమైన కారణం వినండి. So p square q square 2pq cos theta under root. Okay, so magnitude find it now and direction also find it. Okay, so now today discuss the another topic. So that is called as to find out the maximum height and what is the range, what is the time of flight. Okay, so three definitions and also the derived equations. So maximum height, range, time of flight. So the body is projected. The body is projected with some velocity. Okay, some velocity. A body is projected with some velocity. So the velocity is initial velocity u or v naught. Okay. In physics, every object is taken initial velocity is v naught or u denoted. Okay. So denoted by u or v naught be the initial velocity. చెప్పేటప్పుడు మాట్లాడాలి వర్డ్స్ రేస్ చేసుకుంటాం. Okay, got it. So the theta is the angle. Okay, so the theta is the making some angle with horizontal. So this is called as a horizontal. And so this is called as a vertical. Okay, horizontal and vertical. Already, so last class the parabola. Okay, so the object is passing through, or the object is projected with some velocity. Is prove that the parabola. So y is equal ax minus bx squared. Okay, got it. So now here also the object is through or some velocity is u, making angle theta with the horizontal or x-axis. Okay, got it. X-axis with it. Now to find out the time of flight. So what mean of the time of flight? So time of flight means, okay. So time of flight, it is denoted by the capital T. Time of flight. అంటే ఈ చాక్లెట్స్ ని త్రో చేసి అనుకుందాం, ఇది భూమిని రీచ్ అయింది కదా. ఓకే, సర్ఫేస్ రీచ్ అవుతుంది కదా. సో రీచ్ కాక ముందు, ఓకే, అప్ టు the time is called as the time of flight. Time of flight means so అది గాల్లో ఎంత సేపు ఉంటుంది. Okay, that is called as the time of flight. Okay, so the body is projected, or if the projectile is projected. Okay, so the body is during in a motion is called as a time of flight. Time of flight. It is denoted by the capital T. Okay, before to reach the ground or surface of the earth. అంటే భూమిని రీచ్ కాకముందు అది ఎంతవరకు అయితే ఎయిర్లో ఉందో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఇస్ ద టైమ్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లైట్. ఇది ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఏం అడగడు, దట్ ఈస్ ద ఫండమెంటల్. వాట్ ఈస్ ద టైమ్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లైట్? సో టైమ్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లైట్ మీన్స్, ఓకే, సో డ్యూరింగ్ ఇన్ మోషన్, ద టైమ్ is taken during in motion is called as the time of flight. Got it? So now here the object is projected with the velocity u or v naught, making angle theta with the horizontal or x-axis. Got it? Now, so by using the equation or kinetic equation, s is equal ut plus of a c square. Okay, already so 9th class or 8th class derived equations. Okay, so the kinetic equations means v is equal to u plus ab, s is equal to ud plus half a square, v square minus u square is equal to s, etc. Okay, so now here s is equal to ut plus half a square. S is means displacement, u means initial velocity, t means time, a means acceleration. Got it? Acceleration. Okay, so now here the vertical displacement is 0. Vertical displacement is 0. అది వెర్టికల్ వెళ్తుందా అంటే వెర్టికల్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ ఈజ్ జీరో. దట్ మీన్స్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంటే లేదు దాన్ని. ఎందుకు సార్ అంటే నేను ఓన్లీ రిప్రజెంట్ చేసేది ఓన్లీ టైమింగ్, టైమ్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లైట్. టైమ్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లైట్ మీన్స్ ఈ చాక్లెట్స్ త్రో చేసినట్టున్నాం, ఇది ఎయిర్ ఎంతసేపు అయితే ఉంటుందో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ టైమ్ ఆఫ్ ఫ్లైట్. ఓకే, ఇక్కడ సో మనం ద డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్, ద వెక్టర్ డిస్ప్లేస్మెంట్ is 0. That means s is equal to 0. So u is taken along the, so here the two components, so this is called as ux is equal u cos theta. Ux is equal u cos theta. That is called as the horizontal component. Horizontal component. And also here represented vertical component uy is equal u sin theta. Okay, so the motion is described between or depending on two components, that is horizontal, vertical. Okay, good. Horizontal and vertical components. So u be the initial velocity. So along the y-axis that is taken uy is equal u sin theta. So u sin theta here substituting. Got it? T is means time. Time is to find out the time of flight. So that denoted by capital T. Now here also capital T. Okay. So off means so a is equal pi opposite one. Okay. That is taken minus g. Okay. So here taken that is called as g minus g into t square. Okay, so small t substituting capital T and u is equal to u sin theta. Okay, a is equal to minus g. Okay, s is equal to 0. Okay, now here we get equation. So u sin theta into t is equal of g t square. Okay, so t are cancelled. So t now is taken outside. So 2u sin theta is equal g t square. So t square is equal or not t. Okay, so t cancel only t. So t is equal to u sin theta by g. So this is called as the time of flight. Time of flight of any object or any projectile during motion, that is equation is time of flight t is equal to u sin theta by g. Tu 2u sin theta by g. Okay, got it. Okay, you can write. Time of flight. First side heading, time of flight. Time of flight inside bracket capital T. Okay, it is the total time during, it is the total time during which the projectile projectile is in flight from, next paragraph change cheyandi, from kinetic equation, kinetic KINETIC, kinetic equation, from kinetic equation s is equal ut plus of at square. S is equal, so now here see that s is equal ut plus of at square. Okay, you can write one by step by step. Okay, s is equal ut plus of at square. So now you can write in a scenes, side scenes to write. Okay, diagram emadu only one by step and t is equal to u sin theta by g up to. T is equal to u sin theta by g. Got it. Up to clear? So next one, maximum height. Maximum height. So what is the maximum height? So maximum height is means so the maximum vertical displacement from its motion, okay, or during motion. So maximum vertical displacement. Here also like that, all are velocities, but is not maximum. That is all are heights, but is not maximum height. Here this is called as a maximum vertical, okay, vertical displacement. Okay, maximum vertical displacement is called as a maximum height. The object throw చేస్తున్నాం. ఇది ఎక్కడైతే సో ఎర్త్ నుంచి maximum height reach అయ్యేప్పుడు it is called as a maximum height. So the maximum height, okay, that means the maximum vertical displacement of a projectile during in motion is called as a maximum height. But here, so where the vertical component, that is nothing but Vy is equal to 0. Vertical component of velocity or velocity vertical component. Vertical component Vy is equal to 0. Vy is equal to 0 because so the object is thrown in upward direction. At a certain time, so the velocities becomes 0. That is called as a maximum height. We discussed in last class. Okay, so that is called as a maximum height. So chocolates ni paiki vestunna anukunnam. Edo oka binduvu stop ayindi kada? Ekkada stop ayindi? When that is not a maximum. The velocity is 0. Velocity ekkadaithe 0 aytho, a point with 0 aytho, that is called as a maximum height. Okay, so the maximum height is means the maximum vertical displacement during motion of the object, and the vertical component where the vertical component of velocity Vy is equal to 0. Vy is equal to 0. Okay, so now by using the equation or kinetic equation, so v square minus u square is equal to 2as. 2as. Okay, so a means here acceleration is taken minus g. Got it. S means displacement, but here consider height. Okay, మనం s ని తీసుకుంటాం, height ని తీసుకుంటాం కదా. So height is equal height. So that is called as a maximum height. Okay, so next one. So v is means so the final velocity or vertical component is 0 and initial velocity is taken vertical. So u sin theta. U sin theta. Okay, got it. Now substituting in the equation. So v square means 0 square minus u square. U square means u sin theta whole square is equal to minus 2 g h maximum. Okay, so minus u square sin square theta is equal to minus 2 g h maximum. So minus minus are cancelled. Okay, so remaining equation h maximum is equal to h maximum is equal to so u square sin square theta. So remaining terms are okay outside by 2g. Okay, here multiplication. So outside we get the divide. So u square sin square theta by 2g. H maximum is equal u square sin square theta by 2g. So this is called as a maximum velocity of the projectile during in motion. Got it? Okay. So you can write first of all maximum height. it is the maximum vertical displacement, the maximum vertical displacement or vertical distance, vertical displacement or distance of the projectile during in motion where the vertical component is zero is called maximum height, got it? So by using equation, now you can write next step, change the paragraph. So by using equation, v square minus u square is equal to as. Okay, also you can write in a scenes. Okay. So now next one is range. Range is also called as a distance. Okay, range. So what mean of the range? So range is called as a maximum horizontal distance. Maximum horizontal distance of a projectile during in motion. Okay, so ఈ బాడీ ప్రొజెక్ట్ చేసిన అనుకుందాం, హారిజంటల్ ఎంత దూరం వచ్చింది, 10 meters వచ్చిందా, 12 meters వచ్చిందా, ఎంత కొంత వస్తుంది కదా. సో దట్ ఈస్ కాల్డ్ as a distance or range. Okay, so range means it is the vertical, not a vertical, horizontal, maximum horizontal distance of a projectile during in motion is called as a range. Okay, got it? So range or is equal, so velocity is equal. What is the velocity? Velocity is equal distance by time. Distance is equal velocity into time. So distance or range is equal velocity into time. Got it? Velocity into time. Okay, range is equal. So range R is equal velocity. So velocity is taken only horizontal. Okay, horizontal is taken u cos theta or substituting. Okay, now we have taken, that is called as a horizontal velocity. Okay, so time means the time of flight. Here consider time of flight, whole total during the motion. Okay, so time of flight is means capital T. Okay, so R is equal u cos theta into, already to find out the time of flight. Okay, so 2 sin theta by substituting. Okay, so here 2 u square sin theta cos theta by g, that is R. Okay, R is equal u square 2 sin theta cos theta by g. Okay, so 2 sin theta cos theta is equal sin 2 theta. Okay, u square by g is equal to R. Okay, so 2 sin theta cos theta is sin 2 theta. Sin 2 theta. So u square sin 2 theta by g is called as a range. Okay. So write up range. It is defined as the maximum. It is defined as the maximum horizontal distance. The maximum horizontal distance of the projectile is called range. Now next one, paragraph change cheyandi. Range r is equal horizontal velocity into time of flight. Okay, now you can write total. Also draw the diagrams. You can write the next problem. Show that the maximum height reached by a projectile launched at an angle 45 degrees is 1/4 of its the range. Write the diagram, drawing the also question also. Show that the maximum height we know the range r is equal, and maximum height is equal u square, maximum height formula u square sin square theta by 2g, and range r is equal u square sin 2 theta by g. We know that maximum height h maximum is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g, and r is equal to u square sin 2 theta by g. Got it? Okay, so after we can do sometime. Okay, stop here. So h maximum is equal to u square sin square theta by 2g, r is equal to u square sin 2 theta by g. Show that the maximum height reached by a projectile launched at an angle 45 degrees is the 1/4 of the range. Okay, that meaning, so here, so the given the body is projected, so the theta is equal given 45 degrees. Okay, so in this problem, so the theta is equal given 45 degrees. So 45 degrees toli మనం లాంచ్ చేసాం అనుకున్నాం. So that is equal to h is equal r by 4 అనుకున్నాం. H is equal r by 4. H means the maximum height. R means the range. So the maximum height is quarter of its range. Ante range ante that is the range. Height is means this. Okay. So range, total range lo, for example 100 ఉంది అనుకుందాం. Height ఎంత ఉంటది 25. Quarter of 1 by 4. Okay. So 1 by 4 of its range. Now prove that or show that h is equal r by 4. Only the given information, so the theta is equal 45 degrees. Okay, so now already we know that, so the h maximum is equal and r is equal. So if theta is equal or given theta is equal 45 degrees, okay, substituting in the equation h maximum, so h maximum is equal u square sin square theta, so theta is equal 45 by 2g. Okay, so u square sin 45 is equal 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 whole square by 2g. Okay, so root 2 or square cancel. So remaining equation we get h maximum is equal u square by 2 by 2g. That is equal to 4g. H maximum is equal u square by 4g. Equation 1. Now is taken another one, that is the range. Range r is equal u square sin 2 theta. So 2 into 45 degrees by g. Okay. So u square sin 2 theta. 2 theta means 2 into 45. 45 into 90. So 90 degrees by g. Sin 90 is equal 1. So now substituting sin 90 is equal 1. So remaining equation we get u square by g. So now here observe the equation 1 and 2. Okay. So comparing u square by 4g is equal h maximum. Range is equal u square by g. So comparing of these two equations. Okay. So h is equal r by 4. H is equal r by 4. Either condition satisfied. H and u square by 4g. U square by 4g. R is equal u square by g. So this is 4 here. Denominator change. So into multiply into 1 by 4 is equal to u square by 4g is equal u square by 4g. That means r by 4. H is equal r by 4. ఇక్కడ means రెండింటిని కంపేరింగ్ చేయండి. సో దీనికి డిఫరెంట్ ఏంటిది, ఇక్కడ 1 by 4 ఉంది, ఇక్కడ లేదు. ఓకేనా? అండ్ దట్ మీన్స్ h is equal r by 4 రాసుకోవచ్చా? r by 4. సో h is so discuss the another method also. So h maximum is equal u square sin square theta by 2g. R is equal u square sin 2 theta by g. Here, so h by r is the divided. H by r. Up to clear total. h by r is equal. So the equation 1 divided equation 2 or h by 2. Okay, got it. So h by r is equal u square sin square theta by 2g by u square sin 2 theta by g. That is h by r is equal. Okay. So h by r is equal u square sin square theta by 2g into g u square sin 2 theta. Okay, so g r cancels. U square also cancels. Okay, so sin square theta, sin 2 theta. So h by r is equal sin square theta by 2 sin 2 theta means 2 sin theta cos theta. So 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay, so sin one sin is cancelled. So remaining equation here sin theta by cos theta, that is called tan theta, into 4, 2 into 4. That means h by r is equal. So sin theta by cos theta. So sin theta by 4 into cos theta. 4 means 2 into 2, 4. Sin 2 theta is equal to 2 sin theta into cos theta. Okay, so sin theta cancel. So remaining equation sin theta by cos, that is the tan theta. H by r is equal tan theta by 4. Okay, but given the theta is equal 45 degrees. So now substituting theta is equal 45. Tan 45 is equal 1. So that means h by r is equal 1 by 4. So h is equal r by 4. Okay, got it. Okay, if theta is equal 45 degrees, so h by r is equal 1 by 4. H is equal r by 4.